The 5 S's. Follow these simple guidelines for a healthy heart. First is smart choices. Habits like exercising, eating a good heart-healthy diet can lower your heart disease risk by up to 80%. But it's also important to find a doctor who can work with you to reduce and control risk factors. Second is sleep. Lack of sleep is linked to risk factors like high blood pressure and inflammation. Make over your sleep habits. Avoid electronics before bedtime and keep the same sleep schedule 7 days a week. Third is stress. Studies shows that chronic stress can worsen heart disease symptoms and increase the risk of heart attack. Do what calms you: a long walk, yoga or meditation, or consider a therapist. Fourth is Savor life. Women tend to put their own health needs last. Schedule me time, laugh a lot, treat yourself to a massage, or learn something new. Practicing self-care is one key to a healthy body and mind. And the next is support. People with supportive friends and family are more successful in achieving and maintaining their health goals. Urge loved ones to join you in heart-smart routines and stay on the path to a long and healthy life. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.